Hello, I'm Javed Iqbal. I'm from Pakistan. Today I'm talking about the young generation issues. One of the most pressing challenges facing young people today is the mental health crisis. Increasing rates of anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues have become more pronounced, exacerbated by the factors such as the social media, academic pressure, and the impacts of the COVID-19. This crisis demands urgent action required to support the well-being of the young generation. Especially proposed policy initiatives expanded access to mental health services, school-based mental health programs, increasing funding for mental health professionals in school to provide immediate support. This includes counseling services and mental health education for students and staff. Especially mental health education is very important. Curriculum integration. Implement mental health education into school curricula, teaching students about emotional well-being, coping strategies, and the importance of seeking help. Workshop and training provide workshop for educators and parents and recognizing mental health issues and fostering supportive environment. And the most important rules, our social media policy for social media regulation. Work with social media companies to create guidelines that minimize harmful content and promote positive mental health messaging. And I think to address the mental health crisis among young people requires a multifaceted approach that includes educational reforms, accessible services, and community support. By implementing these initiatives, we can create a healthier environments for young people to thrive. And I hope you will understand what am I saying. This is my opinion. Thank you. Goodbye.